Today, I will analyze the case of Ford Motor Company and its EV pricing strategy challenges. Ford is facing profitability issues due to strong price competition, especially from Tesla. This case explores the problem and proposes a strategic solution.
The main problem in this case is that Ford is struggling to generate profit from its electric vehicles. In order to remain competitive, Ford has reduced its prices. However, its production costs remain relatively high compared to competitors. This creates a situation where the company is selling more vehicles, but earning less profit per unit. So the core issue is an unsustainable pricing strategy combined with high operational costs, which puts pressure on long-term financial performance. From an internal perspective, Ford benefits from strong brand recognition, a loyal customer base, and an established distribution network. However, it also faces key weaknesses, such as high production costs and lower efficiency in EV manufacturing compared to newer competitors. From an external perspective, one of the most important forces is high buyer power. Customers today have access to a wide range of EV options and can easily compare prices, features, and performance across brands. As a result, companies like Ford are forced to adjust their pricing strategies constantly, which negatively impacts profitability. Ford has several strategic options. First, it can continue competing on price by lowering EV prices further. This could increase sales volume, but would likely worsen profitability. Second, Ford can focus on value differentiation, emphasizing quality, brand identity, and technology. This could improve margins, but may slow down market share growth. Third, the company can focus on reducing production costs by improving efficiency and optimizing its supply chain. This would strengthen profitability, but requires time and investment. The most effective strategy is to combine value-based pricing with cost reduction efforts. Instead of entering aggressive price wars, Ford should focus on delivering higher perceived value while gradually improving operational efficiency. This approach allows the company to protect its margins and build a more sustainable, competitive position in the long term. To implement this strategy, Ford should first invest in optimizing its production processes and reducing costs, especially in battery sourcing and manufacturing. Second, the sales team should be trained to focus on communicating value rather than competing only on price. Third, pricing adjustments should be gradual and aligned with market positioning. Finally, the company should monitor key performance indicators such as profit per vehicle, sales growth, and overall market share. In conclusion, Ford's challenge is not only to sell more electric vehicles, but to do so in a profitable and sustainable way.